Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I want to show you a product that was sent to me by one of the companies that I deal with online. This is called Inkera, and this is actually obviously is a regular tape measure, but it's also what they tell me, it's a laser beam tape measure. They saw me doing some of the videos and they sent this to me and they want me to test it out and see what I think of it. All right, so let's open it up, let's see what you get, and we'll see how it works. All right. Obviously the unit here comes with its directions. The unit comes with its batteries, of course. Let's pull this out of here and see exactly what we get. It does have a lanyard that comes with it as well. I don't know if I would use that, but it does come with a lanyard. Obviously it comes with the batteries, and the batteries look like they go into the unit itself. Let's open it up, put the batteries in, and we'll see how it works. The way you open it up, just take it, turn it over, push it, and the battery cover pops up, and now we'll install the two batteries. Obviously you want to check to make sure you're putting them in correctly. Close it and lock it back in place. This button here should be our on and off button, and then this one looks like it's to measure. Now obviously it is a regular tape measure, just so you know. It is retractable by pressing this button right here, and it retracts. It locks in position, right? And you can tell the distance. It does have a laser beam. Let me point it to you so you can see what I mean. I don't know if you can see that. Let's test it out and we'll see how it works, if it works the way that they say. Now, we're going to turn it on. A short press and it turns the unit on. This is adjustable. Right now it's set to feet and inches. If you wanted to measure just inches, you press this and it goes to just inches. Press it again and it'll measure just feet. Press it again and it'll show it in meters. So it's personal preference what you like. I'm going to use it for feet and inches. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take the laser beam, we're going to shine it onto this unit that's sitting right over here, and we're going to see if it's accurate. So let's press it again. And it tells me that it's actually 1 foot 4 inches to that unit right there. So let's take the tape measure, let's pull it out, and we'll see if it's accurate. Okay, so we have 1 foot and 1.5 inches. So 1 foot, 1.5. This unit itself probably is going to be 2 inches, 2.5 inches. And I'm wrong. It's 3 inches. So we add 3 inches to it, and it would be the 1.3 plus 2, or 1 foot 1 plus 2 plus the 3 would be 1.4. And that's what it registers right now, 1.4. All right, of course, to turn it off, you press it, hold it, and it turns right off. And to retract it, you just retract it like that. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work out in my future videos, so watch for it. I will make videos in the future and show you how this actually works in the real world. But before we go, let's take this and let's see if it'll measure a long distance from here, say, to the garage door itself. All right, so let's turn it this way here. Let's turn it on. It's on. Our laser beam is now on the door itself. We're going to press it. I'm going to take our measurement. Where is it? There it is. We're going to do it in feet and inches, just so you know. It's feet and inches. Let's measure it. According to this, it's 18 feet and 10 inches. So let's measure it and see if that's accurate. We're going to grab our secondary measuring device and let's measure it out. Okay. All right, 18 feet, 10 inches. Yep. So it's nice and accurate. Now, again, as I told you before, if you wanted to make a second measurement, you would press it, and it would store the first measurement on the top, and the next measurement would be on the bottom. So we'll press it a second time, and we'll see what the second measurement would be. This is 1 foot 4 inches, 1 foot 4 and 7/16. So it's broken down fairly accurate. Let's measure it again, just to make sure. From here to here. Yep. 1 foot 4 inches and 7/16. And again, to turn it off, just press it and hold it, and it turns right off. How long the batteries would last, I'm not sure. I will tell you this unit also, after I think it's 80 seconds, the unit itself will turn it off, just so you know. All right, so watch for this coming in future videos, and we'll see how it works out. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.